Alright, y'all. So let's go ahead and get these LED multifunction bumper lights installed. I'm going to do turn signal and parking light. So let's get it going. If you need to know how to remove the bumper, check my previous video. Let's go over wiring. Let's get these hooked up. Let's see how these are mounted. But there's one Phillips head, so we can take that out. Y'all probably can see that better. So it looks like this tab needs to be pushed in, and then it should just pop out the other side. Oh, like that. All right, so we got one reflector out. Let's get the other side out. That one came out unscathed. All right, so now for the wiring. So I'm going to run the parking light and turn signal. So now we need to go into this harness and figure out which one of these is going to be parking light and which one of these is going to be turn signal. All right, y'all, this is what we got. So for the turn signal, it's going to be gray plug, the blue and black wire to the red wire. So gray plug, blue and black to the red wire will give us turn signal. And then if we go to the black plug for the pink and black wire to the white wire, that's going to give us our parking light. And that's for the driver's side. The passenger side is a different color, so we'll figure it out when we get over there. And for y'all folks that are going to ask, the brake light is the white plug, red and black wire. So if you take the white plug, red and black wire, that's going to be the brake light. So before we start wiring, you want to install the lights first. So what I'm going to do is that this little oval slot here is not used, so I'm going to run the power wire through that oval slot. And then install the screw from the OEM light. And now your light is installed in the bumper, and now it's time to wire it up. Woo! Alright, so the driver's side, we are in business. And I use the one thing that I hate to use, which is wire taps. I can't stand them, but for this purpose, this is what I'm using, and hopefully I won't regret it. I can't stand wire taps. Me and wire taps, we just don't get along. So, but it's working, and we're gonna rock with it. Now move over to the passenger side, figure out those color wires. Y'all might be asking, where is your ground? I mounted my ground right there on that bolt thing. So my car has backup sensors or whatever it is. So if you don't have a Grand Touring with the backup sensors, yours may not have that bolt there to hold that module. But I mean, you can really put it anywhere. Like there's a bolt for the bumper guard, you can just wrap the wire around that bolt. But that was there, so I put a spade on it. That's where I put it. Alright, so for the passenger side, the colors we have is going to be in the gray plug. You want the pink and blue wire if you're going to use the turn signal. The parking light plug, the parking light is going to be the black plug with the pink and black wire. And then the brake light is going to be the white plug with the red and silver wire. So we have the parking lights. We got the parking lights on right now. As you can see, and let me put on the hazards for the turn signals. And there you have it. This is how you install the multifunctioning bumper lights, LED bumper lights. So if you need help reinstalling the bumper, go look at the bumper video. But until next time, this is done. Peace. It was no nuts, bolts, anything left from the install. So hey, yes, it's pretty impressive. Peace.